How to find SIM card ICCD number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. Click on connections and scroll down and click on SIM manager. After click on SIM manager, you will see click on SIM card. After click on SIM card, here showing you ICCD number, but ICCD number is not showing here. Go back and click on eSIM. After click on eSIM, here showing you ICCD number. So click on SIM card, but ICCD number is not showing here. Go back and remove SIM card. After remove SIM card, again insert SIM, you will see your problem is solved. So click on settings app, scroll down to and click on about phone. After click on about phone, click on status information and you will see first option is SIM card status. After click on SIM card status, here showing you ICCD number. After watching, go back to home screen. So that's how you can find SIM card ICCD number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.